Thank you for choosing Suburban Construction. Now that the details of your project have received your final approval, this is what happens next. Our production manager will contact you to come out to your home to take some final production notes. The production manager is well trained and generally will be able to answer any remaining questions that you may have since you approved the work to be done on your home. After our production manager has more detailed information regarding the installation process for your project, your custom order is sent to the manufacturer. Once Suburban Construction verifies that your products are in stock, we will call you to schedule a convenient time to begin the installation process. Sometimes weather, as well as other unforeseen factors, may vary the installation process. But be assured, Suburban Construction will do our best to keep the installation times on schedule. While the installation crew is on the job site, feel free to address any concerns with them. If you have questions, they are there to help and make sure the job is done right. At the completion of your project, we will have some paperwork to go over with you. A customer satisfaction survey will be provided. You will receive your written lifetime workmanship warranty for you to keep at home. And finally, an invoice with the total amount due. Feel free to send payment in with your job site foreman, who will hand deliver your payment to the Suburban Construction office. We hope you will love the work Suburban Construction does, and if you have any further questions, please feel free to contact our office. Thanks again for your order, and we look forward to working with you.